Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made my Dollar Tree Farmhouse pumpkin basket. What you're going to need from the Dollar Tree is one of these pumpkin wire wreath frames, a few rolls of the nautical rope. The newer stuff is not as good as the old stuff, so I'll have to explain later. Some jute twine. Then I had this chicken wire ribbon, but this is what I used to make mine. So that's not from Dollar Tree, it's from Hobby Lobby. And then to fill my basket, I used one of these Dollar Tree maple leaf garlands. I have the Dollar Tree plaid ribbon and some apples from Michael's or Target Dollar Spot. I'm sorry. You'll need some floral wire. And optional are some fairy lights. So the first thing I did was just fold my wreath in half. And then I took my rope and I pulled the strands apart. Now the older rope pulls apart nicely. The new rope doesn't. So if you only have new rope, don't pull it apart. And then I started to just wrap it around the middle of the pumpkin going down along the from the top to the bottom. And then I thought, I better cover my wire first because there's going to be some gaps when the chicken wire comes through. So there you see what I did. You can see how I wrapped just the front of the pumpkin, and then I went all the way to the bottom. And then I did alternate spaces because the chicken wire is going to go in between. And here's where I ran out of nautical rope. So sad. So I had to run to the store and get some more. And I did get, they had a bunch, so I picked up 3 more strands or bundles, whatever it's called. And I completed going around and finishing that off. Then I took my chicken wire and I spread it out as far as I could, cut a piece that was as long as where I was going to fill in on the pumpkin, and I pinched the side edges, and I made a faux needle out of a piece of floral wire, and I put a little loop at the end, and I ran my jute twine, I threaded it, my jute twine, and I used jute twine to attach the chicken wire to the pumpkin wreath at the rope. So that's why it was very hard to get the jute twine through. So that's why I created the little needle. And then I just did both sides. And that's what it would look like if you alternated the chicken wire. And then it was time for a quality control inspection by Quarantino. And when my whole pumpkin was all covered with the rope and the chicken wire, it didn't stand. It became like bottom heavy, top heavy. So I just added a Jenga block with some glue just so that it would keep it upright. And then I made a big bow with my Easy Bow Maker. And I attached it to my pumpkin. I actually attached it to the other side because that too made it a little top heavy, so it worked better on the other side. And then I added my little garland and my little apples from the Target Dollar Spot, and I have it as my centerpiece. And here you can see it from the side. And then you can see it here with Quarantino perched, watching over everything. And this is what it looked like after I put some fairy lights in it. I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.